Now this is very important, that is the independence of High Court. The Constitution had made the following provisions to safeguard and ensure the independent and impartial functioning of the High Courts. Good morning, aspirants. Now we are going to see who are the acting judges, who are the additional judges, and who are the retired judges of High Court. Now first we will see who are called as acting Chief Justice. President of India can appoint a judge of High Court as acting Chief Justice of High Court when the office of Chief Justice of High Court is vacant. Okay? The Chief Justice of High Court is temporarily absent. The Chief Justice of High Court is unable to perform his duty in his office. Then in that case, we appoint acting Chief Justice. What is acting judge? The President can also appoint a duly qualified person as an acting judge of High Court when a judge of that High Court is unable to perform the duties of his or her office due to absence of any other person, okay, or any other person appointed to act temporarily as a Chief Justice of that High Court. And acting judge holds office until the permanent judge resumes. However, he cannot hold office after attaining the age of 62 years. 62 years से अंदर होना चाहिए. And now we will see what is the additional judge. President can appoint duly qualified persons as additional judges of High Court for a temporary period, not exceeding 2 years. When there is a temporary increase in the business of the High Court, there are areas of work, okay, in the High Court. बहुत सारे works हैं. Then an acting judge cannot hold office after attaining the age of 62 years. And now we will see who are called as retired judges. The Chief Justice of High Court of a state can request a retired judge of High Court or any other High Court to act as a judge of High Court of that state for a temporary period. Okay. The Chief Justice of High Court of that state can do so only when the previous consent of the President and also of the person to be so appointed. Allowances of such a judge are determined by the President of India. Okay. He can enjoy the jurisdiction, powers and privileges of the judges of that High Court, but he will not otherwise be deemed to be judge of that High Court. Those are called retired judges. Now this is very important, that is the independence of High Court. The Constitution had made the following provisions to safeguard and ensure the independent and impartial functioning of the High Courts. What is the mode of appointment? The mode of appointment is the judges of High Court are appointed by President in consultation with the members of judiciary itself. This ensures the judicial appointments are not based on any political or practical considerations. Okay. After that, what is the security of tenure? The judges of High Court can have been given the security of tenure. They can be removed by the President only in the manner and on the grounds mentioned in the Constitution. And they have the fixed service commission. The service commission of judges, like service conditions of judges of High Court, cannot be changed to their disadvantage after their appointment except financial emergency. Expenses charged on consolidated fund. The salaries and allowances of judges of High Court are charged on the consolidated fund of state, not on India, and non-votable by the state legislature. Note, the pension of a High Court judge is charged on the pension of a High Court. It charged on the consolidated fund of India, not the consolidated fund of state. सैलरी उन्हें consolidated fund of state से मिलती है, but जो pension है वो consolidated fund of India से मिलती है. Bar on parliamentary interference. The conduct of judge of High Court in the discharge of their duties cannot be discussed in the parliament or the state legislature, except when an impeachment motion is under the consideration by the parliament. Okay. Ban on post-retirement practice. After retirement, they can't practice. The retired judges of High Court are prohibited from pleading or acting in any court or before any authority within the territory of India except the Supreme Court and other high courts. This is also like applied. This ensures that they do not favor anyone in the hope of future favor. That is very good. Okay. Power to punish for its contempt. The High Court can punish any person for its contempt. Thus, its action and decision cannot be criticized and opposed by anybody. Freedom to appoint its staff. The Chief Justice of High Court can appoint officers and servants of the High Court and prescribe their service conditions without any interference from the executive. Protection of jurisdiction. The Parliament and state legislature are not authorized to curtail the jurisdiction and powers of High Court. However, the Parliament can extend the same. Now, it's what is the conclusion from it? The High Court stands as the pinnacle of judicial administration of the state. High Court stands as pinnacle of judicial administration of the state. Embodying the essence of what? Justice, independence, and constitutional supremacy. These words are important. You can mention in your mains. With its extensive jurisdiction, it ensures the rule of law and upholds the fundamental rights and liberties of residents of the concerned state. As India continues to evolve, the High Court role will continue to remain critical in navigating the legal landscape and shaping of the nation's future. So, in your conclusion part, you can mention these lines. These lines are very attractive. You can go for this. Okay. Thank you, students. Now, High Court will be in this PPTs, I have mentioned all the points, powers, organizations, how they they have the power, who constitute them, president, parliament. Just keep your mind from those words like special majority is required, precedent consideration is required, when it's binding, when it's not, whenever parliament have the right to do something, the parliament, president, these words, just keep these in your minds. This will help you in solving questions. And for mains, you can extract some lines from here also, from this PPT also. Thank you.